Here are 30 stupid drivers. Before we continue, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications so you never miss another video. A car skids through ice and hits a parked car.
1943 года ими был заминирован и подорван фашистский линкор «Тирпиц». Гигантский корабль водоизмещением в 51 тысячу тонн вышел...
A semi gets hit by a train. A woman drives through a marathon. This car moves slowly in front of a semi and ends up in a wreck. This blue car speeds off and is immediately pulled over.
Somerset Street.
Marcus, don't do it.
Oh.
Idiot.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Oh my god. Why would...
A car drives without tires. This car drives over another car. The bike on top of this car breaks a McDonald's sign.
Damn. Damn.
A driver hits a woman carrying a bucket of animal poop. Someone running from the cops gets hit by their own car. A car is floating in a marina with the boats. This car has a huge piece of furniture sticking out from the trunk. A woman has her head stuck in an exhaust pipe. A speeding car slams into two parked cars. A car in a crowd nearly runs people over. A truck gets stuck while driving through a river. A runaway garbage truck takes out a street of parked cars. Someone pulling out into traffic causes an accident. Someone on a motorcycle gets stuck between two semis. A truck in the left turn lane decides to go straight. A car on the wrong side of the road causes a head-on collision. Someone tries to drive a car off of a tow truck.
Oh my God! Dude, you forgot the rims! That did not just happen. Is it stuck? It's stuck.
Someone drove their car into a fence. This woman kicks a bottle into a moving car. Someone running a red light causes a huge multi-car accident. Someone in a car shoves a cyclist. Two people struggle to get a car past this gate. A work truck hits some power lines and takes out a street cam. The car filming collides with a car parked on the road with their lights off. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to never miss our videos. Watch the videos on screen now.